Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the currency on your Stripe account using your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Now navigate to Stripe official website. Now simply log in and go to your accounts. Once you are on the main dashboard, you're gonna go to the settings. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now again, choose the settings option. On the settings menu, you can see the business section over here. So tap on business. Next up, tap on the bank accounts and currencies tab over here. If you scroll to the right, here you can see the manage currencies options. So in order to change the currency on your Stripe account, you need to go to the manage currency section, so tap on it. Now you will be prompted to select the currency as per your requirement. There will be a list of currencies over here. You can choose accordingly, whichever you want to change it to. For now, I'll select Australian dollar. After selecting your preferred currency, tap on add currency. And there you go. You've successfully changed your currency on your Stripe account using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.